Ever pondered how your city got so smart? The secret lies in the world of information technology. IT innovations are the unseen architects, transforming urban landscapes into thriving, sustainable smart cities. Picture this: traffic lights that adapt to actual traffic conditions, reducing congestion. Waste management systems that only collect when bins are full, saving resources. These are not figments of imagination, but realities empowered by IT. Have you ever stopped to consider, how does your smartphone know when the next bus will arrive? It's all thanks to IT, connecting us to our cities like never before. But what about sustainability? Its role doesn't stop at convenience. It's creating energy-efficient buildings, optimizing water use, even predicting environmental risks. Now, imagine a world where every city is a smart city. What changes would you expect to see? As the gears of IT continue to turn, the face of urban living is being reimagined. So, next time you marvel at your city's smartness, remember the silent IT revolution at its heart. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the fascinating world of IT in our cities. Until then, keep questioning, keep imagining.